We are the final year students of GRET from CSC department. We have done a mini project called Cell Phone Operated Robotic Vehicle under the guidance of Professor G. Mallikarjun Rao. Aim of our project. The main scope of our project is to send commands from one cell phone to be received by another cell phone mounted on the robot to receive the DTMF mode commands, which are then decoded. The corresponding codes are then fed to a microcontroller programmed to recognize those codes to operate two numbers DC motors for any direction movement as per the sent commands from sender's mobile.
This is a block diagram.
Hardware requirements: microcontroller, digital oscillator, DTMF, decoder IC, motor driver IC, DC motors, batteries, one cell phone having auto answer mode, future, another one is operator mode. Software requirements: Keil compiler, language, embedded C or assembly. Microcontroller. It is a low high performance CMOS 8-bit controller with 8K bytes of in-system programmable flash memory. Features: fully static operation 0 Hz to 33 MHz, 256 into 8-bit internal RAM, 32 programmable input-output lines, 8 interrupt sources, full duplex UART serial channel, fast programming time, flexible SP programming, and 4 volts to 5.8 operating range. Technology used: dual tone multi-frequency. Dual tone multi-frequency code is used to encode and decode the keystrokes in a telephone. It can be used to perform basic data transfer operation. DTMF keypad frequencies. When used to dial a telephone number, pressing a single key will generate a pin message of two simultaneous pure tone frequencies, in which the key appears determines the low frequency and column determines the high frequency. Motor driver. This is a block diagram of L293D motor driver. This is a block diagram of power supply. Software and programming. Keil is a tool software used for source code. Use of Keil centers on project. A project is a list of source files required to build a single application, and if required, how application should be simulated. The project file contains information to take a set of source files and generate exactly the binary required for the application. Flashman is the dumping tool used to dump the source code in the microcontroller. Application: in fire mishaps, in bomb detection, in biohazardous areas, in space explorations, in coal mines. Conclusion: the application areas of robots are vast with simplest of modifications. Since all we need is a mobile call establishment to instruct the robot due to cell phone unending and cheap availability, this is highly feasible. This project can also be subjected to standardization and hence has a good future scope. This is our project demonstration.
In this robot, it is a power supply which is used to on or off operation. Here the mobile is connected on the headphone, which is used mounted on the robotic chip. By changing the dual tone DTMF decoder. Here the two pins which are used to connect the motors, motor 1 and motor 2, which are rotate in any direction as per the sender command. Here the 898051 chip, which is used to dump the program to run the robot. It is the 748501 microcontroller, the jumpers which are used in this circuit. The capacitors which are used to source the program. The LED 293 which is used to the power. The jumpers and capacitors capacity is 10 kilowatt. And the 12 volts battery which is used to connect the power supply.
This is a demonstration of our robotic vehicle. By pressing key 2, it moves forward and stops by pressing 5. By pressing 8 key, the robo moves backward. By pressing 6 key, the robo moves in right direction. And by pressing 4, it moves in left direction and stops by pressing 5. 5 has dual operation, start and stop. This is done by the technique called dual tone multiple frequency.